The Barclays app. How to make an international payment. To make an international payment, tap Pay and Transfer at the bottom of your screen. Next, select International Payment. Now choose the account you want to make the payment from. Enter the amount you want to send in pounds. Select the currency you want to make the payment in. And the exchange rate with the converted amount will appear here. Tap Continue. Now enter the recipient's details and select the country they're based in. Next, add their international bank account number or IBAN. Then tap Continue. Here, you can check your payment summary. Here, you'll see if a fee is chargeable. International payments made through the app are free from Barclays charges. However, some countries allow the bank receiving the payment to charge a fee. The sender must pay the fee if it's sent by our app. Add a reference for your statement here. And for the recipient, here. Tap Review Payment. Now, for security, you'll need to enter the last 3 digits on the back of your bank card and your card expiry date. Then tap Confirm. And your payment will be submitted.